second Bûche de Noël style mousse cake. It consists of sablé breton as a base, following the layer of the sponge cake and double insert of orange Crémeux and orange Namelaka, and all those inserts are inside of the milk chocolate mousse, orange velvet coating, and some Swiss meringue as a part of decoration and also to hide some imperfection of the cake. Passion fruit and milk chocolate mousse. This mousse is perfect for the final assembly of your Entremet cake. So before I start with the recipe, make sure that you've prepared your molds. And today I'm going to use a Christmas dedicated silicone mold, Bûche de Noël or Yule log. Also make sure that you have your insert frozen and unmolded for easy and quick assembling. As for ingredients, in a small saucepan I'm going to bring to simmer passion fruit juice and orange blossom water. Orange blossom water pairs nicely with the milk chocolate and passion fruit and create nice floral profile. After this liquid simmer, I'm going to add my gelatin mass and mix it to dilute it, and then I pour it on top of my milk chocolate that I'm going to blitz with a stick blender to make a perfect emulsion and cool it down to 25-26 degrees before I fold in my semi-whipped cream.